Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to recover banned TikTok account. If you're using TikTok and your account has been banned and you want to recover your banned TikTok account, so let's see how can you do that. So the very first thing, you just have to make sure that you have a stable and the strongest network connection. Then you have to go to your settings app, go to general and go to VPN and device management, and you just have to make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just have to disconnect with that. After disconnecting your VPN, you have to go back, open your App Store or Play Store, and you have to go for search. And you have to simply search for TikTok. And you just have to make sure that your TikTok app is up to date. There's no any pending updates for your TikTok app. If you find just try to update your app, after updating, you just have to go back and open your TikTok app. Tap on the profile option in the bottom right, and there just have three horizontal lines in the top right. Scroll down and look for health center here. So basically you have to contact with TikTok support team to recover your account. So just select this option and see more under account section. And here you can select login and then select recover your account, or you can also select just report a problem here, and here just select topic. I'm gonna select account access or security, select category. So let's say I want to select recover account. You can also select banned accounts. Let's say I want to select banned account here. Then you have to enter your username. You have to enter your account username which you are trying to recover. Then you have to enter the additional details which is contact email. So you have to enter the email on which TikTok will inform you when your account will be recovered. So you have to enter the email address here. Then enter some additional details. You have to enter description that your account has been banned and you want to recover that, or if you have any violations of community guidelines, so you can also try to appeal them from here. After that, just mark these boxes, then tap on submit option and your report will be submitted. So once you have submitted your report, TikTok will inform you in up to 24 hours. Sometimes it might take a week. So once your report has been success or your account will be recovered, you will receive a notification on the mail address which you have entered in additional informations, and after that, your account will be recovered and you can easily use your TikTok account. So in this way, you can easily recover your banned TikTok account. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.